Greetings, friends and family from the UK, Philippines, and especially the United States. Unbox United back here again. I got a special vlog for you guys. It's been a while. I've been concentrating in doing reels. So I finally got something for you guys. It's a surprise. You know me guys, I like them ugly slides or ugly shoes or unique designs. So I finally got my hands in this um, slides from I'm not sure if it is a slide or a shoe, but this is coming from New Balance, would you believe? So they entered the slide wars or the ugly shoes um, team. So they got this Fresh Foam X Recovery. So I went for the it's described as brown blue, but it looks like a clay color. So let's check out the slide. Okay, so it's hard to like it in the beginning, um, but I promise you guys, this is beautiful in hand and it will grow on you. LOL. So let's check out the design. So we can see, so this is like a just like the Yeezy foam runners, which I will show you guys the original, and I think this will carry the torch for the Yeezy. So it's kinda toasted now. I really love these shoes. I always wear this, so this might retire now, and this will take the lead. So as you can see, this is just like straight foam. The outsole is foam, and that's the difference, I think, with the Fresh Foam New Balance is there's like a rubber outsole underneath. I think that's what I can tell you, which is the difference. So there's like a hard rubber in the toe and by the heel and the side. So these are all hard rubber guys, and some parts are the foam. So the thing that made me bought these shoes is I love the insoles that like the GT Cut had. So I love them insoles. I had the GT Cut 1 and GT Cut 2, and that's why I just love the insoles. And this New Balance got a fresh foam insole, so which I'm doing now. I'm taking it out. So it is called the Fresh Foam Recovery. So this is mainly made for those people who are playing sports or being working all day standing, and after that you can wear this post work or post game. So this got sold to me because I saw Kawhi Leonard rocking this when he received his USA jersey. So when I saw that that Kawhi's rocking this, oh my god, I got to have that colorway. And I wanted, this is like a my description is, it feels like this is like a red, but on the box description is called like brown blue or something, but it's weird. But yeah, in hand it looks like it's like clay color. So yeah, so this insert goes through inside, and there'll be like a hole under through the outsole here. So when you put it, it it feels like it locks, and it locks in there. So I find that cool. So it won't move the insole where you're wearing it. I already tried this on, guys. It really feels comfortable. That fresh foam inside really makes the difference. The Yeezy is comfortable, and I believe this is more cushy and more stable, because the Yeezy feels like it's soft, but this one is nice on foot as well. I feel very comfortable with the Yeezy 2. It's just this is the New Balance, I believe, is just more stable. You just got to um it takes time liking the shoes. If you look on top, the top view kind of looks weird, but I get it. I just love them ugly designs or futuristic. I don't know. It looks like it's a futuristic clogs or shoes as well. So I love that there's the New Balance logo here, and very minimalist. So there's like just the NB here, and that's it really. That's the only branding here. So this is fresh. So the only thing as well is this is $100 shoes. So which I believe it's kinda acceptable. I think the insole is the one that costs more money, and it's fresh foam, and it's super soft. So Unbox United really recommend this to you guys. So don't be deceived by the looks at the beginning. It will just grow on us. I hope so. Yeah, there are 3 colorways. So this is one of them. There's black, all black colorway, and I think the other one is like a gray color with 2 colors. I think gray, and I'm not sure if what the color of the, I can't remember the rubber outsole, but it's kind of cool as well because it has 2 colors, not like this. It looks like there's just like one color, and the black one is like plain black. But yeah guys, I highly recommend this, especially if you're like working long days, and your work involves just standing, a lot of standing. Yeah, this will be a comfortable shoes. It's almost sold out. This colorway got this still got sizes, but the black and the gray colors are running out of sizes. So I got this from online through New Balance USA. I'm not being paid by New Balance, but New Balance, just DM me if you want me to test some of Kawai's new shoes. LOL. But greetings to New Balance. Thank you New Balance for the quick shipping, and Unbox United approves these shoes. So to all my friends, thank you for all the support. I just reached 600 subscribers today, which I was so happy and proud, thanks to um, my friends and family who supports Unbox United throughout the years. It's been I think 2 years now, so I'm still hoping and aiming for that 1K subscribers. So please help me, help my channel grow, and I'll try to do more vlogs for you guys, um, with nice sneakers. Mabuhay to my family and friends in the Philippines and in the UK, United Kingdom, South Wales. Shout out Swansea, and down here at the 904 Florida. So till next time, thumbs up, peace.